Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of December. And national news are Bharat charting its course to reclaim its glory as Vishwa Guru, Vice President. Seven wagons of goods train derailed near Mumbai. Mail Express traffic hit. 25 Indian fishermen accused of illegal poaching detained by Sri Lanka. Oman's Sultan Haytham bin Tariq to visit India on December 16. Sabrimala witnessed heavy rush. Authorities modify darshan timings. No part of globe so blossoming with human rights as India, Vice President. Punjab launch scheme for doorstep delivery of 43 government services. Statue of Tamil icon Thiruvalluvar unveiled in French town. Now, international news. Tintin Comics' new edition sparked debate. Gaza war put entire generation at risk of radicalization, Qatar PM. Netanyahu told Putin he is displeased with Russia's anti-Israel stance. Milei sweared in as Argentina's president, warned of shock treatment for economy. Zelensky to meet with Biden, Republicans, as Ukraine war funding dried up. UN Assembly likely to vote on Gaza ceasefire on Tuesday, a report said. Impossible to improve catastrophic health situation in Gaza, WHO said. Sports news. Granada versus Athletic Bilbao match abandoned after fan died. Mauricio Pochettino urged Celsius to turn to transfer market again after Everton defeated. Jason Holder, Killemeyer's Nicholas Pooran declined central contracts offered by Cricket West Indies. Spinner Saika Ishaku, Shriyanka Patil set up 5-wicket consolation win for India versus England. Ashwini Ponappa, Tanisha Crasto won Guwahati Masters Super 100 title. Business related news. SCBI planned to introduce fast track concept for public issuance of debt securities. Adani bond rebound helped erase short seller hit. Government made air conditioned truck cabin mandatory from October 2025. Bitcoin is earning its place in a balanced portfolio. That's all in news. Thank you.